Hey guys, it's me, Silwolf, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw dog and cat noses, both cartoon and realistic. So I've given the Animal Crossing videos a little bit of a break. I do apologise for those of you who weren't particularly interested in seeing, but there's been so much to do in that game that, you know, obviously I wanted to make a lot of videos of it, and I ended up making them day after day. So we're back to our regular schedule now of 2 videos a week. So, like I said, it's dog and cat noses in this video. Now, they are surprisingly easy to draw as a cartoon. So, when you look at a dog or a cat's nose, you're looking at something that's a triangle. And I normally put like a little bit of, you know, white on the top. So, here's a dog nose. And the cat's nose is slightly more, well, it's slightly longer, and I normally do it slightly more pointed in the corners. There's a cat's nose, and you can always put this little bit as well. And you can even add nostrils. So that's just a basic cartoon cat nose. You can't really see nostrils and things with a dog nose, but remember, not all dogs have black noses. Some of them have brown noses. So, you know, you could perhaps do little nostrils or whatever. That's just how I draw mine, and it's an easy way of drawing them. And if you've got the snout sideways on, there's a dog snout, there's the nose, and a cat would be very short with a little nose there. There's a cat nose. So now we're going to look at drawing them more realistic. Again, you've got the basic triangle shape, which really helps for sort of sketching it out first of all. Now I'm doing it all in biro, so you might be able to see my sketch lines, but I'm going to try and make it nice and big. So this is how I draw a dog nose when I'm making a realistic one. So there's the sort of approximate shape there, you can just about see it on the camera. I tend to just go along the top like this, and I sort of flare out the end of the line there, because the dog's nose kind of like goes into like fur in the upper corners. So bringing it down here, you've got his nostrils, and they go up like this, and then there's that bit in the middle at the bottom, and this other nostril. And then the inner part is here. And this bit can be coloured in, because that's inside his nostril. And you can do like a shine on the top, like that. And there you've got a dog nose. You can also shade that in if you wish. And then to draw the dog nose from the side, you sort of start again with a sort of a triangle shape. There's his nostril. There's the light on the front of it. And there's a dog nose from the side. Now the cat nose. Cat noses are similar to dog's noses, so you've got the same sort of principle. The cat's nose is obviously smaller, but I'm going to draw it quite big so you can see it. Again, put the sort of the shape of it in there, and then the sort of shape of a cat's. I don't really draw cat's noses as much, but the shape is similar, but it sort of goes down like this at the bottom. There's his nostrils. And there's the light. And this bit at the top kind of curves up like that. And there's the cat's nose. Now, like I said, I don't draw cat noses as much as I draw dog noses, so my cat nose isn't quite as good. But from the side, the cat's nose it's a smaller nose altogether. And cats obviously have shorter snouts as well. And some whiskers there for him. And there's the cat's nose from the side. So that's just a little tutorial on how to draw simple noses. You've got your cartoon ones and you've got your more realistic ones. As with any realistic animals, if you're trying to draw them, use photo references. I can't stress this enough. If you want to really learn how to draw dog and cat noses, look at photos of them, look at your own pets, and study them. Do loads of studies of them, draw them over and over again, because practice is really what helps you to draw. And photo references is the most important thing. These are just kind of basic tips on how to draw them, but don't copy what I'm doing. You know, use photo references. And with the sort of principles that I've told you, you can get started and get the basic shape, and you can draw the noses for dogs and cats. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more art videos, you can click either of the boxes that come up below. If you want to check out my Etsy and New Monday stores, as always, the links are in the description. I make custom plushies and take commissions. And if you want to buy me a coffee on Ko-fi or any other tips like that, I would really appreciate it. Link is also in the description for that. So stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver, signing off.